China proves to be an originator of another dangerous virus, Langya virus. Another virus has stormed China, which is proving to be the originator of all viruses. The Chinese authorities are on high alert. This fresh zoonotic virus outbreak has infected 35 people in China. These cases have been discovered in the provinces of Shandong and Henan, in the Chinese mainland. This virus spreads from the animals to the humans. After a thorough serological survey in China, nearly 2% of goats and 5% of dogs have tested positive for the virus. Most people had symptoms like fever, exhaustion, cough, appetite loss, muscle discomfort, nausea, headaches and vomiting. In some cases, serious conditions like reduction in white blood cells, liver failure, renal failure and low platelet count have been reported. The worst part is that these 35 people did not have close contact with each other or common exposure history, suggesting that human infections might be widespread. Taiwan's Centers for Disease Control is currently establishing a nucleic acid test method to identify and check the spread of virus. Till now no human-to-human transmission has been reported, but as per experts it cannot be ruled out. Info brief. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.